Welcome to Multiple Income Streams. You are invited here for the sole purpose of educating you on how to become a millionaire. I believe anyone can. I believe that everyone on the face of the earth can become a millionaire because you already have the ability in you. Everyone does. Here's what you need to do right now. Watch the rest of this video and research it as many times as you need, review it as many times as you need in order to actually be able to do the things that you need to do. Okay? Then watch the two videos on this page. Actually, this video that you're on right now will replace this, and these two will be moved down on the page. Now, anytime that you want, you can download the book from my mentor, Think and Grow Rich, because that is the book that made it possible for everybody to learn how to become a millionaire. Okay? And once you have watched these two videos, you're going to go down here on the page and click on money-sucking websites. It will open a page like this here, and what you're going to do is answer these questions right here. Do you have a phone or a computer with internet access? Yes. Are you looking to make a consistent daily income? Yes. Do you have a minimum of 23 free minutes a day? Yes. It's going to give you another page right here. Congratulations, and information like that. What you're going to do is click on this right here, the reveal. It will open this page.
Goodbye.
And the most important thing on this page for you to follow my directions is to put your information in this form right here. It's going to send you to the second page, but you don't have to do anything with it. You can watch the video on that page, and you can do actually do what's necessary if you want to buy into that program, because this is just another source of income on here. But this is going to send you an email, and that's going to have everything in that email that is going to pick up where this video has left off. Okay? Now, anytime that you find yourself stuck, like I said before, watch this video over, and we will, hopefully it will do the job of teaching you. Once you get the email, I have my phone number in the emails, and I'm very approachable. I'm easy to talk to and everything. And I want to help you become a millionaire. Thank you.